Hello everyone, I'm Mohammad Khalid and welcome to my YouTube channel Physic-so-Mathematica Techno-Computa. In this video I'm going to show you 4 shortcuts of the Chrome app. So one shortcut will be how you can open a new tab without using mouse, and second shortcut will be how to close the existing tab, and the third shortcut will be how you can switch to the tab from left to right, and the fourth shortcut will be how you can switch the tabs from right to left side. So let me begin. Let me assume that suppose I'm working on a Code Forces official website. Okay, let's say I'm working on it, and suppose I want to go to the new tab. So most people what does is they simply go to the mouse and then click on plus button so that new tab will be open. So it consumes time. So what we can do is, suppose we're working on this Code Force official website and we want to go to next tab. So you can press Ctrl key and then T key. If you press Ctrl T, the new tab will be open. And suppose you want to work on no Code Forces or anything, Code Chef official website. So now again, if you want to go to new tab, what you can do is you can press Ctrl key. Even you have here Ctrl key and then Ctrl T. So you will be open to new tab. Now suppose you're working on this tab, and if you want to close it, one way you can do is you can go to this cancel button and then press, but going to cancel button consumes time. So shortcut way what you can do is you can simply press Ctrl key and then Ctrl W. So as you can see, the tab is been closed. So suppose if you want to close this tab, what you can do is you can press Ctrl and then press W key. So this tab will be closed. Now suppose you're working on this tab, and if you want to go to the next tab, so what you can do is you can press Ctrl and then tab. If you press Ctrl tab, it will shift from left to the right, and if you press again Ctrl tab, so you can shift from left to right. And if you again press Ctrl tab, what happens is at last it will go to again first in circular way, it will go from left to right. Now if you want to go to the previous tab, that is from home Canva to the Google map, so you want to come to the back from right to left. So what you can do is first you press Ctrl and then Shift and then press tab. So you will be brought back to the previous tab. And if you press again same thing, you will be brought back to the previous tab. And now if you press Ctrl Shift and tab, you will be brought to the first tab. So in this way it goes from right to left in circular fashion as well. So thank you for watching.